Enough of the amebo. So this is the rice and beans I made this morning. Put the Cameroon pepper. Give me one, I beg. Give me now 1,000. That is half cup, Abi. Hey. Hi besties, good morning. Welcome to yet another vlogs, another video. Okay, if you're tuning, if today is the first time of tuning in, my name is Chinelo Izonye, YouTuber based in Kaduna. Like guys, this morning, look at my face. I went back to sleep because I feel like I didn't get enough sleep, honestly. So after cooking, I made jollof rice this morning, rice and beans jollof, and I made ukwa for my hobby. And yeah, I went back to sleep. Now I want to go and take my shower. The baby just came and woke me up that, mommy, get ready, it's time to go to the shop. Yeah, this is tonight, by the way. Our market opened by 8:30. So I'm here to boil some eggs. I want to boil egg that I'll use and eat my rice, okay? Because I like to, get enough protein for my food. So that's what I'm here to do, okay? Yeah, please stay tuned, watch this video to the end, like, comment, share, okay? Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? So this is the rice and beans I made this morning. Rice, fish, and chicken. Rice and beans, but this head of fish is for me, okay? So I'll be boiling 4 eggs, 2 for me, 2 for Chidube.
Look how the rest on the wall. Sounds familiar, like the new fancy.
Fancy line. The person don't buy it now.
I was thinking that it's not fancy.
No, I don't think so. You will not want to invest here. So you guys, the market have closed. Look at how empty everywhere is. Some people are still parking, but everywhere has suddenly become dry. Shops closed. People are still opening this line. They have not closed. So we are heading to the car park. Hi guys. So sorry, I'm looking down. My head, I want to fall off my waist. Let me put it like this. So this is my hair tie. So let's go to a market vlog. I'm able to talk because I am on this dry road. Many people use this line as their parking stores. Okay, but other lines are busy parking store. Like example, let me use style and show you guys one store. Did you see this one? Did you see things parked inside? So they are people's parking store, not an actual shop. So let's go. So I'm going to use that to show you guys another parking store right here, like this. Did you guys get that? That was another parking store on this line, and another, look at another one parking out from their shop. So let's go and face our business, my business. Enough of the amebo. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I want to withdraw. You have cash? Okay. How much do you charge for 30,000? Of toothbrush, medium. 1.8, medium. Okay, I'm coming. Let me buy other things first. So our cash is here. So what I want to buy is just few things because I have meat at home. I have most of the things at home. So my list is very, very few. Just few items I want to buy because it's soup I want to make, and I've already bought the aqua because I want to make banga soup as well. So it's just a few things. So stick with me, watch this video to the end, like, comment, share. Nabia, how they come? Let me go and see him. So a few things I want to purchase. Hey, I want to get for one ever. You're not choosing. It's simple. Is that made to we style? I swear.
4,000.
I can't never go. Like I say, give me ugu now. Can me them to her. Say neck I can't get better aku today. Mommy, I'm not born in a kita. I go my aku 2-3. And now I'm as okay now. Wagi. Yeah. So I take one decision before then. Only 500. What? St. Leave how much?
St. Leave 1,000. Ugu how much?
Eh?
Ugu how much?
Ugu.
How much? I say no go even come.
Man see the ugu. Man see how a big rich. No, mommy, I try to make me the edgy.
How this one?
I see as one. Raise your mind, see. Jesus Christ.
This is one ugu.
I don't even. Your ugu is too
How much
small.
do you want? Tell me now.
Give me 5 of this one will be enough. No, make it too much because I bought them.
I'll give you 500. That's 6,000. Wait, say you go buy one.
Like it. What the Cameroon pepper one? Don't worry, I will just buy. Don't worry.
See the yellow pepper.
Give me now 1,000. That is half cup, abi. Hey, be like say hot well. Why you know the grand and since?
With the grand. I don't forget to produce.
She know they tell me.
Half cup, go.
Yes. Half cup now 1 kg. Hey, Neka, this I could find no. Ma, yaji.
1 kilo, go.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. It was nice doing business with you.
What did he say?
Thank you very much.
And what's the other word? Say it. Like you talk, what did he say?
Nice doing business with you. You're
Clap
such a
it, clap
darling.
Call for me.
12,000.
And I gave Mr. Chef beef.
2, 3, 4, 5,
He did?
6, 7.
I give me one, I beg.
Mr. Chef beef.
How much?
17.
I just said I want for you. Don't reach 17. Before Mr. Chef.
15.
Okay, they don't change this thing. I know say I want to buy some, but I can't remember what is it I want to buy.
Just say, test it on many road.
I can't give me dishwasher.
Maybe you forget the price.
What's in the color? Money fresh. How much?
Money fresh. 2.8 big one. 3,000 big one. So she said 3,000. Medium size, 1,500. Small one, 800.
Give me the big one.
Green color. Where is the Maggie? Put it together now. See my leather here.
I have to. Maybe by Monday if I need. But now I don't need that. How are you?
And I again no.
No day.
Not beef.
Day.
How much packet?
Bring 2-1.
2-1 be 2,000.
Now 2-1. Now 2 number. Bring 2-1.
Give me 2,000, eh, Joe. Thank you.
Mama now will let.
Arena, I'm not kissing errands. How much? I'm gonna make you cool. Okay, I'm gonna take it to Kwayako. I want to make you cool. Okay. Eh? Put the Cameroon pepper.
2-5.
Yeah, neck I want to get 2,000. When you want to, you when you new side, the whole new bus also this thing sharp. How can I get it now? So sharp. This small thing 8,000. Oh wow. I can't tell you.
Hi guys, good morning. So this is the nice day of this vlog. So let's do our market for. You guys saw the amount of money I withdrew. I withdrew 30,000, and out of 30,000 I only have change of 300 naira. I can't remember the exact amount bought some of the items, but I bought this. This was not part of my list, but then I still bought it for the money. So I bought, you guys know, because most of them I bought, you know, the prices are there. That fish I bought, that fish that was shared on the table, I blended it. This is 2,000. Okay, it's 2,000. Here is apple. I told you guys I bought earlier. This is 2 mudu. So I bought this one on Friday. She gave me this one on Friday that she will bring the second mudu on Saturday. So here is it, 2,000 naira each. This is a Poporoko stockfish. I told him to cut it into pieces, and I got it for 8,000 naira. I think this one was okay 1,000. She said 1,800, but it was 1,500 later because I knew it's 1,500 they're selling it. I also bring out the apple. Let me pour it into something. This one has been here since and Friday, and it's beginning to form mucus, but if I boil it and I add salt, it will clear at once. You won't even notice the taste. And this one is still looking very fresh. So yeah, this is the aqua I bought for 4,000 naira. And then I bought this for 2,100. Bought money fresh for, did she say 2,800 or something? Oh, I can't remember. Because it's been long I bought this thing. We actually bought plenty of it, and that is what we'll be using since. And yeah, so one of my customer bought Martina for me. That it's been long he saw me, and in appreciation I bought this for him. This is 2,000 because he doesn't say the head. This is the head, that one that they call cord I bought, and yeah, from a different place. I would have bought this from him, but he doesn't have the head, so I just buy this for him because what I want was the head, which I can use for my soup. And ofako. By the way, I want to make what is it called? Oha soup later in the day. Okay. And here is ugu. I bought this ugu for 1,000. Ugu for 1,000 naira. How many pieces? 4. And this is how small it is. 4 pieces for 1,000 naira. I got scent leaf. This scent leaf, I got this scent leaf for 1,000. This is what I'm going to use for the stew. Not all. Yeah, not all. I'll use the remaining parts during the week. So I got this for 1,000 naira. I don't want to lose it, and yeah, so this sent me for 1,000. I bought yellow pepper for 500. I bought cocoyam for 3,000. I bought this cocoyam for 3,000. I should have bought more, seriously, because it's looking very small. 3,000. Oh. What is this? What is this? Okay, this is Cameroon pepper for 2,000. This is a cup I got for 2,000. And this is oha. What did I buy this oha? Oh God, did I think this oha I bought for 2K, I guess. 2,000 naira. And then I bought uziza leaf. Was it for, oh God, is it 1,500 or thereabouts? This is what I got. The amount I got this uziza, I cannot remember. I think it's 1,000. Is it 500? I cannot remember, except if I check the video. Okay, this is the ede remaining that's in the leather that she dashed me. And here is blended yellow pepper. This is dry blended yellow pepper. It's so hot. When she was putting it for me, it was so hot. You can perceive it from where you're standing. So this is all for Amakebe. Like, I wonder where 30,000 naira went to. I'll be checking to see where I spend the money. Is this 30K? What did I even spend 30? Like, for the fact that I will do this one and I held it in my hand, 30,000. Yeah, so guys, this is all for Amake Home. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Okay. If this is up to 8-minute video, I'm going to do the cooking in another video. But if not, I'm going to combine everything. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and let's be all family. This is my old slogan. Okay, and I'll see you guys. Bye.